Hi Panayas, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna be unboxing this Babymonster drip album bandana version that I got for my birthday. Yeah, this video is like really late. This album has 14 photo cards, like that's a lot. And this pin is like so slay. Anyways, I had to block out the QR code because I don't want you guys using my QR code. The QR code is for the digital album to listen to the drip album. And I was just showing you guys the card for like no reason at all. Yeah, so now I'm gonna get that out of the way and cover it with the drip pin and move on to the photo cards. First is Chiquita and Rora. It's in order from youngest to oldest. And Rami and Ahyun and Farita. The order got messed up, okay? And Ruka. And then the bandana versions. Chiquita, Rora, Rami, Asa, Ruka, Ahyun, and Farita. And here's the Asa that I was missing in the order earlier. All of the members are such gorgeous divas. Yeah, so those are all the photo cards that come with the drip bandana version. They're also pretty and aesthetic. And now here's the paper or cardboard or whatever it is that has all the title tracks in the drip album. Now the moment you've all been waiting for, the bandana. Okay, I just need to open it really quick and figure out how to show you guys. Sorry it's taking a while. I was looking at it for the first time too. Okay, here it is. It's so pretty. The design of it is so nice. I already wore it and it's like really nice. The red really like pops out from your outfit and it looks really nice. Oh, the QR was showing it again, so like I'm just figuring out a way to hide it again. If you enjoyed this video, please like the video, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. I'm very grateful for all my subscribers. Bye!